Getting back. Getting back. Get back. Get back. Nature. Nature. Book. Book.
اینجا به معنی فعلش هستش ریزر.
Get away. Get away.
اسکیپ فرار.
Cabin. Cabin.
همون کلبه میشه کاتیج. A small shelter or house made of wood and
A small shelter or house, made of wood and situated in a wild or remote area. Chemicals. Chemicals. Damage. Damage.
So welcome back to the second section that we are going to talk about the writing. So let me bring the page for you. As you can see, it would be writing. Look at the text. Where do you think it is from? So, getting back to nature. Do you want to enjoy an amazing holiday and help to protect the environment at the same time? Why not book a holiday in a Getaway Eco Cabin in Alaska? The cabins are beautiful buildings. Builders use wood and mud to build the walls. There are skylights in the roof, so we save electricity. The small skylights give us light in a day, so we don't use electric lights. We don't use chemicals to clean the room because we don't want to damage the environment. You can walk in the mountains near the cabin and see lots of local wildlife, enjoy a boat trip on the lake and see the amazing waterfalls, or visit the beautiful caves. Years ago, people used to live in the caves. You can still see some of the cave homes today in the Gateway cabins. You can have a great vacation and enjoy nature. Come and visit us soon. So did you get completely the meaning? I'm not sure. So let's read again and find about the new words, then talk about it. Then I want to say what this part is going to talk. So, getting back to nature, what's the meaning of nature? Yeah, something that, for example, talk about the forest, the jungles, the sea, the mountains, the rivers, I don't know, all the things that you are you can find it in the wildlife around you in the environment is the nature, tabiat. Yeah, so it means that you're just coming or turning back to nature. Do you want to enjoy? Enjoy means do you want to like? Do you want to have a fun time? Do you want, for example, have a wonderful time in an amazing holiday and help to protect? Protect means save. Yeah, محافظت کردن. Do you want to have to protect the environment at the same time? I want to say that میخواین همزمان با اینکه دارید طبیعت رو محافظت میکنید یک تعطیلات فوق العاده داشته باشین و ازش لذت ببرین. Why not book? This book is not the book that we talked about up to now. This book is the verb. Here means reserve. Yeah, reserve کردن. Why not book or reserve a holiday in a getaway eco cabin? Cabin های یا حالا کلبه های eco توی getaway. It's the name in Alaska. So we're in Alaska. So the answer, where do you think it is from? It's from Alaska. The cabins are beautiful buildings. Buildings, for example, like this is the building. But the builder is a person who built this building. Build verb, ساختن. Builder, سازنده. Buildings, ساختمان. Try to memorize this, of course. Somehow the categories of the verbs. Use wood and mud to build the walls. There are skylights in the roof, so we save the electricity. The smart skylights give us light in the day, so we don't use electric lights. یعنی ما از لامپ‌های الکتریکی استفاده نمی‌کنیم در طول روز. برای چی؟ برای اینکه پنجره‌های سقفی داریم که در واقع نور رو وارد می‌کنه. نوری که احتیاج داریم رو وارد می‌کنه، پس دیگه احتیاج به لامپ ما نداریم. We don't use chemicals. ما از مواد شیمیایی استفاده نمی‌کنیم to clean the room because we don't want to damage or harm. صدمه بزنیم به در واقع طبیعت یا محیط زیست. You can walk in the mountains near the cabin and see lots of local wildlife. حیات وحش بومی یا محلی رو ببینید. Enjoy a boat trip or on the lake and see the amazing waterfalls. یک سفری با قایق داشته باشین و از دریاچه و آبشارهای اونجا لذت ببرین or visit the beautiful caves. یا از غارهای زیبایی که اونجا هست دیدن کنین. Years ago people used to live in the caves. You can still see some of the caves as cave homes today. یعنی یک سری غارهایی هستن که مثل خونه، چون قدیما مردم توی غار زندگی می‌کردن، پس خونه غار نمیدونم، مثل خونه است. So in the Gateway cabin you can have a great holiday and enjoy nature. Come and visit us soon. Yeah. So this was about the writing. So look at these questions that are just provided for you here. It says that what did the builders use to build the walls? What did they? When you want to answer the questions, try to find the completely similar words. Builders, build, walls. بچه هر موقع میخواین سوالی که مربوط به ریدینگ جواب بدین، اول بیاین ببینین لغت‌های مهمش کدومه. What did use؟ اینا هیچ کدوم به درد ما نمیخوره. چیزی که برای ما مهمه این builders که سابجکت جمله ماه. builder چیزی که ساخته و چه چیزی رو ساخته walls. میگه از چه چیزی برای ساختن دیوار استفاده کرد. Exactly, we try to find these similar words in the sentence. Okay, so buildings, builders use wood. So exactly, the answer is here. Let me make it another color for you. So used wood and mud to build the walls. So what did builders use? Builders used wood and mud to build the walls. Number 2. What can you do on your holiday? So it's talking about the holiday. Come back to here. گفته تو تعطیلاتتون میتونید چیکار کنید. You can walk in the mountain near the cabin, see the lots of local wildlife, enjoy a boat trip, I don't know, see the amazing waterfalls or visit the beautiful caves. Yeah, up to here. So the answer would be here up to here. Yeah. These are the answers. You can walk in the mountains and up to here. So now listen to this part very carefully. Making writing more fluent. You're going to write some writing, but not like always. شما وقتی writing می‌نوشتین بچه‌ها سعی می‌کردید هی یه جمله رو به کار ببرید. مثلا فکر کنید قبل از این درس امروز من به شما میگفتم راجع به یه جایی بنویسید. خب شما می‌خواستین چی بنویسید؟ For example, I like to go to Aswan. Aswan is very beautiful. I like to walk in the streets on the streets of the Aswan. Aswan has lots of historical buildings. You see, just very short sentences. می‌بینید جمله‌های کوتاه من آوردم هی کنار هم گذاشتم. Aswan is very beautiful. Aswan is very old. Aswan has lots of historical buildings. ساختمان‌های قدیمی داره. Aswan has, for example, very powerful or, for example, very rich culture. یک فرهنگ خیلی غنی داره. ولی, but this is not correct. In fluent writing, توی یک writing خیلی روون باشه، توی یک نوشتاری که روونه، شما نباید هی جمله‌ها رو قطع بکنید. actually you have to make them to join the sentences. ولی کار کنید جمله ها به هم در واقع وصل بشن with the conjunction words. با یک سری کلماتی که بهشون میگن conjunction words، با کلمات ربطی سعی کنید اینا رو به هم ربط بدین. سعی کنید یه وقتی مثلا میگین S1 is very beautiful because it has lots of historical places. خیلی زیباست چون خیلی ساختمان‌های قدیمی داره. S1 is very beautiful so I love to visit it every year. به خاطر همین من دوست دارم هر سال ببینمش. Swan is very beautiful and I love watching all the historical places. You see that with these conjunction words, I try to make somehow the writing more fluent. در واقع دارم سعی می‌کنم روون‌ترش بکنم. به جای اینکه این جمله رو بگم نقطه بذارم دوباره برم جمله بعدی، سعی می‌کنم جمله رو به هم ربطشون بدم. بهشون میگن conjunction. حالا ببینیم اینجا چی میگه. We can make writing more fluent. روونش بکنیم fluent by using compound sentence. جمله هایی که در واقع ترکیبی میشن. compound ترکیبی. We can make a compound sentence by using and, or, so, because to join simple sentences together. For example, there are skylights in the roof. We save electricity. همین چیزی که من به شما گفتم. هی جمله ها رو می‌نویسیم، نقطه می‌زنیم جمله بعدی. این خیلی دیگه سطحش به سطح شما نمی‌خوره. این مال حالا 2 ترم پیش بود، مال 3 ترم پیش بود. ولی الان you have the conjunction word. شما کلمات ربطی دارین، پس می‌تونین compound sentence بسازین. There are skylights in the roof, so we save electricity. You see that how much beautiful rather than this one. ببینید چقدر نسبت به جمله بالا روون‌تره. همین که شما هی مجبورین استاپ بکنین، خیلی از اون کیفیت شاید شما یه رایتینگ خیلی قوی نوشته باشه. ولی وقتی هی مجبورین استاپ بکنید، از اون کیفیت واقعا میفته. There are skylights in the roof. We save electricity. There are skylights in the roof, so we save electricity. Yeah, it's much more, interesting even to read about it. Okay, so match to make the compound sentences. You have to try to match these sentences with the house. Number 1, there was a lot of litter in the park. Part D, so we decided to pick it up. It's good to use alternative energy. میگه خیلی خوبه که بیایم از انرژی جایگزین استفاده کنیم. حالا ببینیم چی؟ ببینیم کدوم یکی از اینا بیشتر بهش میخوره. Because cars pollute the environment. برای اینکه ماشین ها محیط زیست رو آلوده میکنن. Pollute. You had it 2 sessions before. So the house is very light in the daytime. پس در واقع خونه خیلی روشنه در طول روز. Because it's healthy and cheap. برای اینکه سالم و ارزانه. It's not because this finish این که پارت دی بود که تموم شد. So I often go to the wildlife park. پس من بعضی وقتا میرم به پارک در واقع وحشیمون، پارک وحش، حیات وحش بهش میگن. Because it doesn't damage the environment. برای اینکه خیلی در واقع آسیب به طبیعت وارد نمیکنه. So which one? Actually I can say E and B and A. It wouldn't be correct. Yeah, because it's cheap and healthy and because it doesn't damage the environment. Yeah, both of them can be correct for this one. هم میتونه پارت C درست باشه، هم پارت F. چون جفتش داره راجع به یه چیز صحبت میکنه. میگه هم ارزان و سالمه، اون یکی داره میگه پس به environment صدمه‌ای وارد نمیکنه. پس اینو ما نگه می‌داریم، از گزینه‌های بعدی متوجه میشیم که کدومش رو استفاده بکنیم. شاید اصلا شما اینو نداشته باشین. Yeah, you had it. So, number 3. He rides his bike to work. He rides his bike to work. از دوچرخش استفاده میکنه تا به پارک بره. چرا؟ Because cars pollute the environment. So here it would be part A. Number 4, we grow our own vegetables. So the house is very light. No, so I often go to the wildlife park. It doesn't have the meaning. I think because it's cheap and healthy. Yeah, so why not see right part C here? Number 5, there is a skylight in the roof. So the house is very light in the daytime. Part B. And I love animals. I love animals, so I often go to the wildlife park. Part B. And which one remains? So because it doesn't damage the environment, F. پس دیدین به خاطر اینکه یه گزینه دیگه میتونست از این پارت C استفاده بکنه، من برای گزینه 2 البته شما شاید این مقدار فرق بکنه، ولی خب این تمرین بیشتر فرق نمیکنه، این همه. Part F it was more suitable for this part. لحاظ معنی بهتر بود براش. چرا؟ چون من اینجا پارت C رو استفاده کردم و تنها پارتی که مون همین بود. شما هم باید همین جوری استفاده بکنید. باید بیاین تک تک رو معنی بکنید و ببینید به کدوم گزینه میخونه. اگر دو تا گزینه شک داشتین کنار بزنید، بعدی رو بزنید، هر چی که بود با همون در واقع بعدی اون یکی. So let's do this review and the quiz. It says that a paper and other rubbish on the ground. What is the word? So definitely it would be litter. Yeah, let me change the color. So, number 2, why are the people worried in the story? Remember the first story, number 2. If we come back. So, the story. Why they were worried? Because it says that you can say, yeah, someone dumped a lot of litter here last night. Yeah, because someone dumped a lot of litter there. اونجا بجای here بگیم there last night. So, okay, so because of that. I don't write it. Now you can write it to yourself. Circle the correct word in a sentence. You can see lots of animals and birds at a wildlife pool, is that, or park? Which one? So definitely park. Correct the sentence. We was watching TV when dad came home. We was, no, we were, yeah? So this was is wrong here. We have to change it as to we were. And continue. So correct the sentence. I was walking to school when it was starting to rain. Both of them are talking about past progressive. دو تاش داره تو past progressive صحبت میکنه. ببینید کدوم یکی از اکشن ها دیوریشن بیشتری داره و کدوم اومده اون یکی رو قطع کرده. خب نمیتونیم بگیم که بارون داشت میومد که من یهویی شروع کردم به راه رفتن. اصلا معنی نمیده. من داشتم راه میرفتم که یهویی بارون شروع کرده باریدن. Yeah. So I have to say I was walking to school when it started to rain. به جای was starting باید از simple past استفاده بکنم. چون این اکشنیه که اومده بالایه رو اینتراپت کرده. من دیگه نمیتونستم با راحتی راه برم. حالا یا ماشین بستم باشم یا بود یا هیچی. So I was walking to school when it started to rain. And number 6, correct the sentence. I'm straight used to very quiet. Are straight used to be very quiet. Something used to be quiet. Yeah? Sorry. Used to be very quiet. How does the Harris family hit their house? This is completely different. For you is, why does Glenn and Kathy love their home? Why they love their home? Because. So, they love their home because it helps the planet and it looks fantastic, yeah? Here is the answer, sir. It helps the planet and it looks fantastic. So, number 7, it helps the planet and it looks fantastic, okay? So, a place where fresh water comes out of the ground, what's the word? So, it was a well or a spring, yeah? So, I would write both of them, well or spring. پس این توی این جلسه شما دو تا کلمه خوندید که دو تا معنی دیگه میده. یه بوک بود که شما می‌دونید کتابه، ولی یک معنی دیگه که اگر بوک به عنوان فعل توی جمله بیاد معنی رزرو کردن میده. اسپرینگ که شما بهار خونده بودید ولی الان فهمیدید که معنی چشمه هم میده، چشمه آب رو هم میده. So make a compound sentence. We took our umbrella, it was raining. می‌خوایم این جمله رو کامپاوند بکنیم. پس بعد یکی از حروف ربطی conjunction so or because یا and استفاده بکنیم. بذارید من بالا بنویسم. So or because and. ببینیم کدومش بهتره. خب We took our umbrella, so it was raining. No. We took our umbrella, or it was raining. No. We took our umbrella and it was raining. No. We took our umbrella because it was raining. پس باید بر اساس معنا متوجه بشید که کدوم یک از این حروف ربطی یا conjunction words رو استفاده بکنید تا یک compound sentence بسازید. Make a compound sentence. I was tired. I went to bed early. So I was tired because I went to bed early. No. I was tired and I went to bed early. میتونه معنی بده ولی وقتی من سو دارم خیلی میتونه قشنگ‌تر باشه. I was tired پس چون خسته بودم رفتم در واقع خیلی زود به رخت خواب رفتم. بر اساس معنا من سو رو بیشتر ترجیح میدم. And میتونه باشه ولی خیلی معنی نمیده چون سو رو ما اینجا داره. So and the last part it would be the listening to the song and try to match the words with this part. Listen after the song I would write it for you. Yes? Just some different words that I will talk about it. Okay?
39. Listen and write. Sing, we can save our planet.
Every day the sun shines and gives us heat and light. Let's use solar power to make our future bright. We can save our planet. Why don't we start today? We can work together and find a better way. Every day the wind blows across the land and sea. We can use the power for electricity. We can save our planet. Why don't we start today? We can work together and find a better way. Cars use lots of gas. Let's save on fossil fuels. Let's use trains and buses to go to work and school. We can save our planet. Why don't we start today? We can work together and find a better way.
Okay, so let's do this part and I say the new words to you. It says that every day the sun shines and gives us heat and light. هر روز که خورشید طلوع میکنه به ما گرما و روشنایی میده. Let's use the solar power. بیاین از انرژی خورشیدی استفاده بکنیم. solar میشه خورشیدی. The solar power to make our future bright. تا آیندهمون رو روشن بکنیم. We can save our planet. ما میتونیم سیارمون رو حفظ بکنیم. Why don't we start today? چرا امروز شروع نکنیم؟ We can work together. ما میتونیم با هم کار بکنیم and find a better way. تا یک راه بهتری رو پیدا بکنیم. Every day the wind blows. هر روز که باد میوزه. Across the land and sea. در طول حالا بر روی آب و زمین. بر روی دریا و زمین. We can use the wind power for electricity. برای در واقع نیروی electricity از باد استفاده بکنیم. We can use lots of gas. یا پترول بهش بنزین میگن یا گاز که اینجا به عنوان گاز آورده ولی پترول خوبه بدونید پترول یعنی در واقع بنزین خیلی اویل هم میگم ولی بدونید پترول معنی بنزین میده let's save on fossil fuels so let me write it fuels here let's use trains and buses که اینجا نوشته public transport میشه وسایل حمل و نقل عمومی public transport یا همون train and buses to go to work and school yeah so that was the song and it would be the end of this video just one video remain یه ویدیو مونده که برای صفحه 46 و اون ریدینگی هست که صفحه 36 جا مونده که کار نکردیم توی ویدیو بعدی ما راجع به این دو صفحه کار میکنیم یه ریدینگ خیلی طولانیه یه ذره شاید خسته کننده باشه اونو میتونید زمان دیگه ای که یه ذره حال هواتون بهتر بود فرش‌تر بودین انرژیتیک تر بودین اونو ببینید و لغتاش رو ببینید چون یک داستان جالبی هستش okay thank you for watching this video it was the last session میتونم بگم در کل جلسه آخر ترمتون بود راجع به امتحاناتون هم که توی گروه با هم صحبت می‌کنیم so let's come back